How to send money from TD Bank to Zelle. So the first step is to simply enroll into Zelle by using the TD app. So what you're gonna have to do is simply log into TD online banking or the TD Bank app and select Zelle. Enter your email address or US mobile number, then receive a one-time verification code, and then simply accept the terms and condition, and you're ready to start receiving and send money with Zelle. So basically, if you want to send money from Zelle to TD Bank, you're gonna have to use another bank app such as Chase or Bank of America, which have Zelle integrated. And then as you can see, to receive money using Zelle, share your enrolled email address, US mobile number or QR code with your customers and ask them to send your payment with Zelle. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.